morning. My name is Justin Larry. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to do something different. I'm just going to trade based on the reaction of the moving averages. I'm not going to do any type of trend lines or support and resistance. I am going to just react to what the market does. And the way I react to the market is by reacting to the direction of the moving averages. As you look on this screen, you notice a few lines. You notice this blue moving average that I'm pressing on the screen. You notice an orange moving average, and you notice a purplish pink moving average, and you notice a few other moving averages as well. Also on here, you notice an ADX at the bottom, okay? Also, this is Amazon, and at the bottom, all the way up there at the bottom, I have Google open, Netflix, Tesla, and I even got Bitcoin open, okay? What I'm doing, I'm going to just react to what the market is doing. Now, I can do a top-down analysis to determine where price is going for the overall, okay? A top-down analysis allows you to see what's going on from a high time frame, because a higher time frame with moving averages shows you on the chart the actual direction of where price is going. And it's never been wrong. It's never been wrong. Trading from higher time frames will help you avoid the big spikes you see in the market. Because even if there's a big spike, you're in the trade so deep, it won't affect it. And you just react to whatever the price is doing based on the moving averages at that higher time frame. So let's see what time it is. Right now it's 8:19. The market will open in 10 minutes. Let's do a top-down analysis. Let's look at the date. Today's date is the 24th. It's 8:19 a.m. The market opens soon. So let's go ahead and just do a top-down analysis. But we're not going to base it based on our trade. We're going to react to the market. So for the week, look like price has been going down. The reason I say price has been going down, because this candlestick is somewhat red, okay? And the wick is red, it's been going down. And the previous candlestick was down too. And the ADX at the bottom shows the price is going down. Why? Because the ADX, when the ADX starts going the opposite direction of up, that means the strength of the direction of whatever the direction price is going is weakening. Okay, so let me explain how the ADX work. The ADX work is, the way the ADX work is, it shows strength of the market. And the top chart with the moving averages, it shows direction. So you can use strength and direction to determine where the prices is going. When you have an ADX gauge over 20, you see right here, this line, the 20 line, price is usually a strong trade. But when it starts to go down, that means it's decelerating, it's getting weaker. Now, these lines you see here, this represents a up trade, the blue line, and the orange one represent a down trade, okay? They call this the positive D, the blue line, and this orange line is the negative D. Every time the blue line is over the orange line, the price is always going up. And every time all the way to the left, let's look over here, the orange line is underneath, over the blue price is going down. Okay, so it's showing you the same thing with the moving averages is doing, just at a let's just say like in a different reality. basically. So the moving average is doing the same thing. When the blue is over orange, price goes up. When the blue is under orange, price goes down. The red line represents the strength. Right now, you can see if it's weakening. When you see a weakening ADX, that means the trend is usually weakening. Okay, that means the trend could be reversing. And what we see down here at the ADX, it is reversing. You see right here, like ADX goes up. This part been going up and up. Even though it retraces, it goes up. Then what? It starts to crack and go the other way. And this is going down as well. But look, this is the key. You see how the orange line is now going up. What's going on is attempting to go up over this orange line. Remember, the orange over blue means it's an actual down trade. So it has to move, and it has to, the trend has to weaken. So let's look on a smaller time frame if this right. We should see, if this is about a week, what we're looking at, we should see the same thing, but in a smaller time increment, because this is a weekly time frame. These candlesticks we're looking at is by the week. So let's go down to a smaller time frame by the day. As we see, it did exactly what we saw it doing by the week for the last few days. And, you know, when the market opened last week a little bit, price has been going down. And like I'm saying, the ADX was steadily going down. And this negative D is going up and the positive D is going down. This is attempting to cross over it. Now, we already see this blue line is underneath. Okay? We already see that this blue line is underneath for the day. Okay? So, based on my calculations, let me see the times. Based on my calculations, it seems as if the price will be going down based on what we see. Okay? So let's go ahead and hurry up before the market opens. Look at Netflix. About a week. I'm going to do this quickly. So about a week, price has been going down as well. We see the candlesticks going down. The moving average is starting to make a curve. When they start making curve, that means they're making turns. When you start seeing a curve, that means it's turning. That means it's reversing. So when you see the curve, turn, reverse. Look, there was strength, turn. You see the curve. You see that? It was going down, now it's curve. You see that? So when there's a reversal coming on, the strength start going down. And for whatever direction price was going, being that this was the positive D, it's getting ready to go underneath the negative D. And then like there's going to be a reversal. So let's look at a smaller time frame. And I have to hurry up because the market is about to open. And we see that. But sometimes it could get tricky. That's why we just want to go and react. When you react, you get a better feel of where price is going because it's telling you what's going based on a smaller time frame. I teach people now, when you trade on higher time frames, that's swing trading. You know, that's when you keep the trades open for a while. But if you want to take this serious and really trade like a pro and just like spend a few hours a day on the chart and just trade what you see and trade based on what the market is doing, price action, you'll make way more money. Now, you're going to watch me trade in this way. I might even go small on the time frames, but I'm going to keep it like this. So my strategy would be to focus only on the blue line going underneath this orange line. I'm going to trade based only on that. And I'm going to keep the trades open based on that. Only when I see the blue line go up under the orange, I'm going to be aggressively and take the trade. Okay. But also, I'm going to wait for a candlestick to form while it's crossed over. If you want to be more aggressive, you could take the trade when the blue is underneath it. But most of the time, the way I teach in my course, you want to wait for a candlestick to form while it's already closed. The market would be opening in 3 minutes. Let's look at Bitcoin. Now, here's a perfect example of what I was talking about. This trade I got in a little later. But as you see the blue line is over the orange. When the blue is over orange, price goes up. I'm in profit. I got in this a little late, but I'm in profit already. Let me quickly show you. Right now, it's up $195. And you see Google was already open still. I'm going to close that one. Well, I'm not even trading Google right now. I mean, it's at the bottom. But I'm going to react to the market. Remember, we're going to react. We're not going to try to predict it. Even though I got a pretty good idea what's going on, you could just trade based on what the market does. And like I'm saying, this is from reacting by the hour. It's trading is really, for it to make it easy, it's about reacting to what the moving averages are doing at a certain time. That's it. To make money trading using moving averages is about reacting to what the moving averages are doing at a certain time. And when I say at a certain time, based on a certain time frame of the candlestick. That's it. That's the key to my trading strategy that most people don't teach. I will teach you this because as we see in the past, it always did the same thing. When the blue was under the orange, price went down. When the blue was over the orange, price went up. That's the only pattern it does. If it consolidate, that just means there's not a lot of movement. But that's it. We got 1 minute, y'all. The chart is about to open. I wish I could multi-screen this. I don't know how to multi-screen it, but I don't need it. I'm gonna trade aggressively, just focusing. Now, when the market open, y'all, you really don't ever want to just take a trade immediately because the market will fluctuate when they open up. You'll see in a second. You're gonna see one candlestick open. It's gonna either be way up over or way up underneath. You know. So let's get prepared to trade. Let's see what time it is. I'm gonna make this look real easy. The reason why it's gonna look easy because it is easy to do. Yep. It's been a long minute. There we go. Market is open. It's 8:30. It is 8:30, y'all. You're gonna start seeing the price starting to move. See? Now, what did I just tell you? Now, didn't I say it was going to be a big old gap when it opened up? I'm going to different pairs right now. Look, Tesla has a big gap. Netflix has a big gap. Google doesn't, for some reason, has a big gap. And Amazon have a big gap. Oh, you know what? Maybe because I'm already in the trade, but that's some bullshit. I don't believe all that. It used to still have a gap. All right, so let me go ahead and Ay. All right. Time to show and prove, right? I'm gonna trade all these the correct way, but I'm gonna focus. I'm on a 3-minute chart, so I'm trading every 3 minutes. You know what? I'm gonna change this to 5 minutes. That way I can have a better synchronize with the time. You know what I mean? That way I could look at. I got a certain way I trade. The way I trade is based on whatever time frame I'm looking at. I look at I focus 1 minute before or after that chart open. I mean that candlestick form. That way I just got to focus on it for 1 minute for any trade. But I have to explain to you more. It probably don't make sense to you. Let me turn this to 5 minutes. Turn Netflix to 5 minutes. and Tesla to 5 minutes. Now it's just a larger time frame versus the 3 minute, but I have some type of time frame I could really work on. You know what I mean? By the 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. But 3 is just kind of a little bit more, you know? So right now, I notice when you trade, all the market's always open, going in direction. It's not going to go. It always open like that. But we just going to wait. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. You know what? Fuck it. Let's get real technical on the ass so we don't miss no trades. We're going to do this by the 1 minute. We're going to do it by the 1 minute. Turning everything in 1 minute. So we could really see what's going on. So, okay. Y'all about to see what's going on when I trade. How I trade. And this, we're going to see how easy this shit is for real. All right. Let's see what time is it? It's 33. All right. So I see that this ADX is going up over this blue. Now, we really just want to really react to what the moving averages are doing. I just use the ADX for the strength, for real. But also sometimes, depending on the parameter, it'll tell you what's going on early as well. Okay. Right now it's underneath it. And I see, remember what I said, the curve. The curve means it's turning. And when it's turning, it's reversing. You know? But I'm going to wait. That's for the Amazon. Okay. Let's see what this doing right now. It's underneath. Price is underneath. Yeah, I see some type of reversal might be going on here because of the kink. It may continue to go down. Google, I'm not going to get in the trade yet. This is definitely a sell right now. This is definitely a sell right now. I'm going to go ahead and jump in this as a sell. I'm just going to use on smaller trades too. But I'm just showing you the simplicity. So I'm going to take Netflix as a sell right now. Tesla. All right. I'm starting to see some type of kink going on. So I'm in Tesla right now. Google was already in the sell. So I'm going to just keep that trade open as a sell. Amazon look like, yeah, it's going to be going as a sell. So let's switch this over. And the reason I say it's going to be a sell, because looking at this, oh, sorry. Hold on. Okay. All right. So right now, see, this is a sell because this ADX is going up and the negative D is over. So I'm going to put this as a sell right now for Amazon. Google's already in. Netflix is already in. And let's look at Tesla. Tesla looks like it's just steady going up. Okay. So it's been open for a while. I'm just going to take that as an up trade. And then what I do, I keep these trades open. Period. Based on what I see. Ooh, I may have gotten a little prematurely on that. So now, so I got this right here as a sell and one as a buy. Okay. So it's going to show my skills. I got this as a sell. Amazon is a sell. Google right now, it was already open as a sell. But based on what I'm looking at, it looks like it's going to go up. See, I'm going to go ahead and close this trade. It's been open for a few days. For some reason, I don't know why. I see what's going on right now. I'm going to go ahead and take this as a buy. Okay, so we changing Google trade. Usually, we don't trade with multiple. I just trade one at a time. It's just easy to trade one at a time. But I'm pretty confident of what I'm doing. Okay, there you go. So I still got this as a sell. Okay, I still got this as a sell, but I'm losing. See, that's why you want to trade what you see and trade one at a time. You know. So all you gotta really just do is just close your trade and then just get in the trade based on the direction it's going. So I may have lost some money right there, but let's just get in. There's a buy. Okay. Simple. When you see you losing money going the opposite way, just get out the trade. And now you keep the trade on based on that. So Google, I got this as a buy. I got this as a sell. And look, this is a buy right now too. All right. So just close the trade. You don't keep it open to lose money. You trade them based on what you see. See, I'm doing too much, to be honest with you. All right, Google's in profit right now. This is a buy as well. So I'm going to keep the trade open for the time being. Netflix is a buy as well. And I got this is a buy as well. So right now I should be in profit on everything right now. See, this a lot. See, I should just focus on one, but I'm showing you if you just follow what you focus on. I'm speed trading. And that ain't what you want to do. Keep the trade open. Yeah, I'm doing something different today, y'all, but I'm just showing you when you just follow what the moving averages are doing and keep the trade open based on that. So I'm in profit with this right now. That's in profit. And I can show you all that I'm in profit on everything. Okay. See? Bitcoin was already in profit. Tesla's in profit. Google's in profit. These will go in profit. Let's see how much money did I lose already today. Probably not a lot. I could just keep this trade open. I mean, keep the screen open like this. Trying to show off and shit, huh? But it's cool. I don't care. I might not even put this video up. They saying how you want to trade, how you want to focus on one thing at a time. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh yeah, moving. All right, there we go. Now I can see. Okay, so I'm in profit with the Google. Amazon is still a buy right now. Google is a nice buy. That's a buy. Look like I'm at profit with everything right now. Move. Yeah, I gotta move this. Sometimes the screens just don't be acting right. Oh, there you go. All right, Netflix is in profit. Is a buy still, so I'm gonna keep the trade open. Tesla is a buy, and Bitcoin, of course, is a buy. It's still in buy mode, so we should like when you look down at everything, buying profit at everything, y'all. As you see, and the reason is like that because I'm trading based on what the moving averages are doing. I'm not really guessing. Like this is not how I trade. I usually just do a top-down analysis. You know what I mean? And I trade on higher time frames. But I'm doing it on a minute just to show you how easy it is just to get in profit based on when the blue's over the orange is a buy. You know, when it's over the orange is a sell. I'm doing this just to prove a point. I'm in profit on everything based on what I see when you trade what you see. Okay? So let's focus. Let's focus. All right. So let's look back to Netflix. All right. So it looked like the price might be going down. I'm gonna keep that trade open until I see it actually go like underneath it. Now you see how it could be going, but I'm gonna wait. So I'm gonna come back to that. Right now, price could be going down, but I'm gonna wait. Even though I see a curve, I'm gonna wait. Even though right here I see what's gonna be going on, I'm gonna wait until I actually see that blue underneath that orange. Okay, keep that trade open. Same way with this. Okay, Tesla's steady going up. It's a nice strong. It's not even attempting to go down. But you see how you see I'm trading multiple things at one time. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stop Netflix. I'm gonna wait for one more minute to show up for the Netflix. I like that one. I'll go back that way. So let's focus on Netflix. Netflix like it's about to reverse go into a sale. Now I'm just trading on these smaller time frames, so I'm gonna stop this trade as I buy close. Take it as a sale. I took it as a sale because I see this orange. Blue is underneath the orange. So when the blue is underneath the orange, price go down. I'm just trying by the minute to show you something. Now look, you see that, right? It just went all the way up underneath it, right? Now watch, it's gonna be in profit. What's this? Netflix? Look at Netflix. It's not in profit yet. Because of the spread, it's gonna take time, but as long as I keep them trades open, it's gonna go the direction I want it to go. If it's gonna keep going down, it will be in profit. It's that simple, yo. I'm still in profit with the other things. But imagine if you just focus at one at a time. That's the point I'm making. Imagine focusing one at a time. Damn, that Tesla. Oh, damn, that's interesting that Tesla got the type of I don't really trade Tesla too much. I'm just showing I'm doing an experiment. But you see how these trades are in profit quickly because it's doing what it said it was gonna do. Like look at Tesla. Hold on, let's put the trying to make it work. Sometimes you gotta hold on, let's make this full screen so I can do this right. Now look, you see right here, I got in here right here as a buy. Price is steady going up. Blue is over orange. You see, when the blue is over orange, price go up. That's perfect example. You keep the trade open. Okay. Just look at Netflix. Remember what I just said, price going down. Okay. So right now, the blue is under the orange, like I told you. This is where I got in, where this line is. Right now, it's a sell, it's going down. Let's look at the Google. Google is still a buy. Now look, the blue line is still over the orange. Price is continuously going up. Amazon, I got it as a buy. Look, price is still going up. You see how I'm holding these trades based on what it's doing? That's why I say just follow the moving averages. The moving averages is telling the whole story. So if you just trade based on what moving averages do, you get in more trades better. But higher time frames are better when you trade moving averages because with higher time frames, you'll be able to. So imagine we see Tesla, right? This is about a minute. Okay, let's go to like a 15-minute. No, I mean let's do the top-down analysis for real, for real. So imagine. Move. Okay. So by the day right now, we see this Tesla like it's going up because it just opened up and it seems like it's going up. Okay, whatever, maybe, who knows? You don't want to. You want to trade on higher time frames, but you still want to enter on lower time frames based on what we see in the market is doing on the higher time frame. Because when you know what market structure, how it goes up, create higher lows and stuff like that, the lower highs, you understand market structure. So let's go down to the 4 hour. So look, as we see on the 4 hour, what we see, the blue line Hold on, let's move this one. Hold on. Alright, sometimes you just gotta. I like trading from the computer. I'm on my tablet. Now look, on a 4-hour time frame, the blue is over the orange, so we can say price is gonna continuously go up by the 4 hours. That's what it's safe to say. You know what I mean? Also, the positive D is up over that as well. Every time the blue is over orange at the moving averages and the blue is over with the ADX, it's telling the same thing. It's telling the same thing. So just like right here, as price went down from here to here, look, the negative D was over the blue here to here. So that represents a downtrend as well. So it looked like this Tesla by the few hours, it's gonna be an up trade, say a nice little buy. Look, let's look at the higher time frame. Look, see, blue had a nice thick crossing spread. Look, the blue is over the orange. It's nice wide little spread, and I would keep the trade open based on that. But like I say, let's go back to the smaller time frames. Now Tesla look like it's about to do a reverse. Let's look at the other stuff. Netflix, that's in a sale. I should have went ahead. I'm gonna keep this trade open. You know why? Because the blue is still under the orange. I don't care if it is doing this like it's going up. You keep the trade open based on that until it touch. Buy. Google is still a good buy. Hold on, damn it. That's why I'm on my tablet, y'all. So sometimes you gotta do things a little different. Move a little different. This is a good buy. Amazon, we got that as a buy. Gotta rig it a little bit. And as you see, so look, let's get out the full screen. We're gonna see most of the stuff in profit. Look at that. Everything is in profit. Now, again, I don't trade like this on a regular basis, but I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame to show you based on if you just follow the direction of the moving averages, you'll get in profit all the time and you'll stay in profit. Or we could just switch it to a smaller time frame that's not as small, like a 5-minute chart. You know what I mean? And just trade based on what moving averages are doing. That's the whole point of this video, just to show you how moving averages is. Now, depending on the amount of money you would put in this trade, you could have had some profit, took the profit. You know what I mean? These are small trades I got. If I would have put the Tesla buy, and it's crazy, I guess Tesla's just moving a lot or something like that. I never seen, because you see how I'm on these other trades, but Tesla up $3 or something. I don't know. But that's the whole point, y'all. This one I'm saying, this is an easy way of trading. Just trading with moving averages. I teach people how to trade with moving averages. If you get my course, it's on Fiverr, on sale for only $100 one-time payment. You could just trade based on that, and I get into technically how to do this correctly. You know what I mean? It's not hard. Just follow the direction of the moving average. Let's look at Google again. Price is steady going up. Blue is still over orange. I'm keeping that trade open. But this is okay. So look, I'm getting out this trade. Oh, matter of fact, let's see what is there any profit before I get out this trade. It probably is. I should have just closed it, but I'm trying to see something. What's this, Netflix? So I'm about to lose $2. Okay. Damn, I just took 2 trades on there like a dickhead. Let me close that. I actually took it this. I'm taking it as a buy now because it's all right. Now it's a buy. I made a mistake and opened it up twice. But look, if I was just focused on one chart, like, you know, I don't recommend trading like this, but I'm doing this for a reason. I'm trying to show you something. This is an experiment. So you see, I'm in profit. Everything else there, right? And Tesla is steady going up. I'm up $7 on Tesla. And guess what? Since I got in this trade, the price has been steady going up. The blue line is over. Oops. The blue line is steady over the orange line. That's why price is steady going up. This is a perfect example of what I'm telling y'all. Okay? If you want this broker is really easy to use. Just DM me. 500 leverage. Take your money out the same day. Get your money in about a half an hour. I'm telling you, it's dope. It's dope. You know what I mean? You need at least $50 to put in there. And also, you need at least $50 to take out. So as long as you know what you're doing, you'll be good. But that's it, y'all. You keep these trades open based on what you see going on. Look, Amazon's still a buy. Look, on the minute chart, blue still over orange. Google's still a buy. Blue still over orange. And remember, I only took one of the trades of that. It was a sell. Then I said, I'm going to get out of it reacting. You see what happened when we react to the trade? Now, look, Netflix, I'm in profit now. Remember at first, I lost $2 or something like that. And because of the spread, I'm still not in profit all the way yet. But everything else is good to go. Tesla. Profit. And it's all because I'm trading based on what I see. I didn't do any measuring. I didn't do any support and resistance lines. All I'm doing is reacting.